Yes, I know. I promised you guys part 2 of the Bosch Medusae, but Bosch defeated my plan. It was just impossible to connect my dust collection hose to the saw because of this proprietary connector. A hose with the right coupler would cost between 60 and 85 euros, I think. Sorry, Bosch guys out there, but I really love your power tools, but I will not pay 60 euros for a simple coupler and a 2-meter hose. First I took some measurements of the dust extractor coupler. Is this the right word for that? Then I started Fusion 360 to start modeling. As you see, I took a picture of the coupler. That makes the design process a lot easier. I just projected the picture to a plane and started with the outer diameter. For a perfect fit, the adapter needs to be tapered. I used the loft tool to create the shape. Unfortunately, the adapter can't just be round. We need to add some extrusions left and right to make it fit perfect. At this stage, thank you Bosch for not making these extrusions identical. That's why I modeled them separately. My first prototype is done and printed. It fits... wait... perfectly. Okay, I cheated. I had to modify the outer diameter a little bit. Now let's proceed with the 2 little clips that needs to be modeled on both sides of our adapter. I used the line and spline tools for that. Later it's just about extruding the shape and mirror it to the other side. The last part is about modeling the hose adapter. I want to connect a 50mm hose, so it's just about defining the right diameter and loft it again. I modeled an angle upwards because the hose will come from the ceiling. Turn on the altimeter one more time. And we're done. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing. That would help keep my motivation high. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.